everyone, I'm Priyanka. Welcome back to my channel, and today's video is going to be a very exciting video because it's going to be a chicken curry haul. So many of you guys have been asking for this. All of us love chicken curry and again it's back in trend. I've actually sourced these from an Instagram store. It's called Radna by Divyasikhwal, and I hope I'm pronouncing the name right. But I'll put the Instagram handle here, and I think I previously did one lookbook last year, I think during the festival, and I have tried out their kurtas before, and they have very affordable pricing and they have a lot of different varieties. At this time I'm going to show you guys all the chicken curry collection that they carry, and some of these are of my size, so I'm going to try on and show them to you guys, and some of them are smaller sizes, and I've asked them to send them out so that you can see a lot of options. So I'll leave their link in the description box in case you would like to order. The WhatsApp order details, all the Instagram details, everything will be in the description box. And before we get started, if you enjoy fashion videos and hauls, then do subscribe to my channel and also follow me on Instagram. I'll leave my Instagram handle here, and I do a lot of fashion OOTD pictures there and videos and everything, and I do a lot of fashion hauls and styling videos and so much more. So don't forget to subscribe, and now let's get started. So first let's start with my favorite kurta, and this is such a beautiful kurta. I absolutely love this. I was recently wearing this in one of my IGTV videos. So it was a makeup look, and I was wearing this kurta and that, and so many of you guys have already asked me about this kurta. Just look at this. It has floral print and it is a kota kurta with a little bit of chicken curry detailing here, and it has long sleeves and so beautiful. You can just wear like a skin color slip underneath this or a pink color slip underneath this and it would be perfect. You can wear this for like simple occasions. I was wearing a silver choker and chandbalis and it was looking so pretty. You can even pair it up with like off-white dupatta, or you can wear it as it is just as kurta also, and it looks so beautiful. I love this one, and this one has to be my favorite amongst all of these kurtas. So next up we have this really pretty blue color kurta, and this one is in that Georgette sort of fabric, and again it looks so beautiful. This can be worn for party wear as well. It has all the silver foil detailing here along with chicken curry work, and these are of like 46 size. They have 44, 42, they have all the sizes. They have smaller sizes too. I think I've asked them to send them about 38, I think. Again, this can be worn just as a kurta with white chudidar, or you can wear it with like a dupatta also, and it would look really grand as well. This is the slip for the blue kurta. This one is a little dark blue, but when you wear it, it would actually look like a nice blue, since that one's actually too light. When you wear like off-white kurta also, it can look a little lighter than actually what it is. Before we move on to other kurtas, I wanted to show you guys another one of my favorites. Look at this. This is a beautiful Georgette sari, and it has chicken curry work all over it, and it looks so beautiful. And this can be worn with like, of course, off-white or a white blouse or a crop top, and it would look so pretty, and you could style this in so many different ways. Looks lovely, and the fabric is very nice and it's very soft, and all the work also looks very neatly done. Just look at this. Looks lovely. Just look at all this detailing. So we have another sari. This one's a cotton one, and it has like grey and yellow detailing, and this also looks very nice. And if you're looking for something a little less transparent, or if you feel like you can carry this off better, then this is a good option. So yeah, it's a very subtle color, and it has all this detailing here. It comes with a blouse. It has a grey inside, so I'm assuming it comes with a grey blouse. I don't want to like spoil the foldings because I'm not that good at folding them back, but yeah. And then I have like a bunch of kurtas, all of which look so beautiful. This is a pink colored chicken curry kurta, and this one's a white one. Looks so beautiful. They're like simple designs, but they're like so pretty. And this one is a little different. This one's like yellow with stripes, and it has a little bit work here. And then there is this grey color chicken curry kurta, again pretty basic. This really cute pink one. It has like a little bees on it. It has like honey bees, and it's so cute. There's a basic white kurta which everyone loves and goes with everyone. This one has a little bit flare, and again looks very beautiful. This one is the trouser. This one also looks very beautiful. It has like chicken curry work here, elastic waist, and this is what it looks like. and the flare here looks so pretty. This one is a sea green kurta, and again it's a very beautiful kurta. It has all work all over, and this is also georgette, and this one also has a beautiful flare and looks so beautiful. Just look at this. It has such lovely work. You can wear a slip which is in the same color. You can get this for yourself as well along with the kurta. And these are your basic white trousers. You can see that here it has all this work. Looks very beautiful. And here it comes with like an elastic waist along with nada. So it will go, and I think this one has pockets as well. So yeah, this will go with all the kurtas actually. Quality is really good, and I really like that their pricing is actually quite affordable, and some of these kurtas are actually priced even lesser than Myntra and other sites. So I think that's pretty amazing. So lastly we have another cotton saree. This is that indigo and white one, and it looks really nice, and the fabric is really soft. I quite like such sarees. They're like easy to carry and you can wear them like casually. If you're someone who likes wearing sarees for work wear or everyday use, just casually when you're stepping out for a coffee and all that also, then this is a great option because it's cotton and it feels really light and the fabric is really nice. Lastly, I have this cute little, I think a scarf. So this one's like a kalamkari scarf with a little bit of tassel detailing. So for one of these white or a plain chikankari kurta, you can actually wear a scarf like this instead of a dupatta, and that would actually really look very pretty. So you can style your basic kurtas like a white kurta or a black kurta with this kind of a scarf, and it would actually look really nice. So that was our today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and liked the collection. Let me know what other videos you would like to watch, and if you would like to watch any other styling videos also, let me know. I wanted to do a video on chikankari styling, so let me know if you would be interested in something like that. I also wanted to do some Banarasi dupatta styling videos because I've seen some comments. So yeah, let me know in the comments below what are the hauls and styling videos you guys would like to watch. I'll leave the details in the description box in case you would like to check them out and order something. And before you go, don't forget to subscribe. I'll be back with more such hauls and a lot of fun videos. And also I'll leave my Instagram handle here. I do quick hauls there as well, so you wouldn't want to miss them. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.